Alright, Davido was in Toronto, Canada for day 5 of his 6-city arena tour, North America arena tour for Timeless, and it was absolutely amazing as you'd expect it to be. The intro, oh my gosh, it sent shivers down my spine, and it was just absolutely amazing. Davido doing his stuff out there in Toronto, Canada, and man, he just makes me so proud to be a Nigerian and African watching how this superstar is selling out arenas. Day 5 of 6 days, and he's done it 5 times in a row. One more after this, but for now, just check out the amazing intro and the super performance that came after it.
You say what? Say!